Building, validating, and amending vehicle models should be easy and effective, all within a single platform. Developed with leading automotive companies, CAVA efficiently validates vehicle design compliance from concept to homologation. Imagine vehicle validation and compliance tools seamlessly integrated into CATIA or 3D experience. CAVA functions include light placement analysis, driver lines of sight, interior and exterior geometries, and pedestrian protection, supporting validation against international standards and regulations as well as company-specific standards. CAVA is used by OEMs and suppliers around the world to cut out costly prototyping and ensure the data is valid and reliable. Try CAVA for CATIA or 3D experience today.